The Karnataka High Court's Dharwad Bench recently granted bail to 99 individuals involved in the 2014 Marakumbi Dalit atrocity case. This followed the Koppal District Court's earlier sentencing of 98 of the accused to life imprisonment for their roles in attacking Dalit residents of the village. The violence, which erupted after a clash between Dalits and upper castes over access to local establishments, escalated with upper caste individuals setting fire to Dalit homes in Marakumbi village on August 28, 2014. The High Court bench, led by Justice Srinivas Harish Kumar and Justice T.G. Shiv Shankar Gowda, granted bail on the condition that each of the accused provide a personal bond of rupees 1 lakh and a similar amount in surety. The court noted that the accused had remained on bail throughout the trial and found no evidence suggesting they had misused their release. This decision followed the district court's earlier ruling, which sentenced 98 of the accused to life in prison, while 3 others received 5-year sentences. The incident is said to have been triggered by a dispute over a movie ticket between two youths, one of whom belonged to the Dalit community.